Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing how candlesticks work and how they are superior over line charts. If you find value in this video, please like and subscribe, and with that, let's talk about how candlesticks work. Now when I first started, I was pretty intimidated by candlesticks and wanted to stick with the safe line chart of the price action. Eventually though, I wanted to be a real serious trader, so I learned and I found it was not really difficult to learn. So let's start with the very basics and go up from there. Let's say we are on the 1 hour chart and each candlestick represents 1 hour. The top of the candlestick when it's green is the current price. When the price goes up, the candlestick increases in size vertically. If the price goes below the starting price, the candlestick turns red and goes down vertically. The top of the candlestick is now the starting price when red, and the bottom of the candlestick is the current price. Now let's move on to candle wicks. Let's say the price goes up in our example, but then we see a decrease in the price of the asset. A wick then appears. The wick indicates what the highest price was in this time frame. When the candlestick turns red and the price falls but then rises, this shows the lowest price point in the time frame. If the price were to go above the starting price, the candlestick would turn green again, but the wick would remain. Now let's move on to when a candlestick forms. Let's say we are watching the end of a candlestick and then a formation of a new one. If the price action is increasing, we see a higher candlestick than the previous one, with the previous candlestick top being the ending price, if it was green, of that time frame. There is also a slight delay when forming a new candlestick, usually a 1 minute delay, at least on the 1 hour time chart. Final thing I want to go over is gaps in between candlesticks. Notice when you are watching your favorite asset and the price skips numbers. This is due to the amount of buyers and sellers, and when a large number of either occurs, the price action can skip numbers drastically depending on what's happening. However, this happens a lot without any particular reason, especially with cryptocurrencies. We see this visually with candlesticks as well. If we have a stock that's $100 and at the end of the candlestick time frame and it jumps to the 110 in between the delay of the formation of the new candlestick and then rises to $125, the new candlestick will have a gap in between the old and the new candlestick. There are different names for gaps depending on the situation and different names for candlestick patterns. However, that will be for another video. So why are these better than line graphs? Well, they provide way more information and can show resistance or strength among the bulls or the bears or in decision making. Candles can show support on the SMA or EMA lines, or they can show resistance as well, and the line graph may not show this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.